Cool. Alrighty, joined the thing again. Now I have to make sure to honor the request. Let me go to, what was it? Was it the creator mode? Video producer, is that it? All right. And then I can remove, okay, I can remove this. All right, that's removed. Do the same in YouTube. All right. And go to Chan. Settings. How do you do this? Just make sure. Okay, here we go. I need to go to my channel, I believe. All right, and then live. Okay. And then I have to select it. And then how do I? All right. How do I take care of this? I don't. How do I do this? Okay, that's unlisted. And then on Twitter, same thing. Okay, I don't understand how that works. Go back to channel content. I don't understand what the problem here is. All right, save. Go back. How do I look at my live? Cool, okay. Now, Twitter ones. And I haven't done Facebook, gosh. How do I find it? Where's my profile? Delete, 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 delete. All right, here we go. Oh, Gabe is consistently liking my streams. That's beautiful. How do I remove it? Delete it from Facebook. I had Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, last one. Let's do the last one. Twitter. Cool. 19 viewers on that. That was beautiful. I'm going to recreate. How do I remove this? Hang on, I have to probably select this and then remove the broadcast. I can only report the broadcast. Come on. Okay, so let's figure that out. To remove broadcast Twitter. Okay. I do delete to do this. Info panel. All right, so where do I get the info panel? Okay, here. info. That's not there. Huh. See if I can access that through the mobile view. Um, um, okay, there we go. Now, can I? There we go. Okay, I don't think I understand. Um, I'll delete Twitter broadcast. What did I type wrong in the prompt? Okay, I'll delete a periscope. Create live video, tap the icon from the filter line at the bottom section now to store live stream. Mm, I'm gonna say, can I comment on our hearts? So I'll leave any of your posted videos that end up deleting your tweet. Okay, fair enough. So I can delete the tweet. Cool. Yes, so I delete the tweet. Here we go. So back to that. Mm, all right, so I am doing some bookkeeping on removing upcoming work. So I had to remove a couple of streams because the conversation is kind of like naturally progressed into like real talk, which of course you can't always have in public. So I have been removing old tweets so I can honor wishes. Oh, there we go. So I think now I can take the old tweet and remove it. Second try. Delete. There's the button. Fireworks. Yeah, sometimes when I'm doing this stuff, I don't put it on the public screen. And that is done. Then here I do this. Bam. Delete. That is done. Now I reload. Let's see if that works. Just double checking. All right, cool. Cool, done. sorted. Now I can go back to focusing on this. All right, so we had a stream just now. It was a really good stream. Had some serious good like heart to heart with Jesse in that stream. Jesse showed me some wonderful designs as well. Oh goodness, Jesse really feels where we're going, so I'm really excited about that. And now I'm just trying to clarify what we do next. So basically looking through this is an article on how we do like sticky table of contents. What's the whole mechanism here? So say you have a 2-column layout, a main column, and content is sidebar. So it has a lot of content with sections that require scrolling. The separate column is that is largely the separate column that is largely empty, such that you can safely put a position sticky table of contents over there for all the content in the main column, a fairly common pattern for documentation. Fair enough. So we see that example here where the thing that is active is highlighted. Fair enough. Nice tutorial on all the sort of semantic markup, implementing most of the functionality of HTML, CSS, and doing the last bit of active nav enhancement with JavaScript. For example, if you don't click yourself down to a section where you might be able to get away with target styling for active navigation, JavaScript is necessary to tell you where you are scrolled to and to highlight the active navigation. That active bit is handled nicely with intersection observer, which is like the perfect API for this. Perfect. So we're going to take this. We're going to let the implementers figure this out. They should implement sexual. We may have to use the intersection observer API for this. Yes, Stefano, and alphabetic order is Ibris. Looking at 4 other tasks, and is also showcased in the following article. So that is one. Same thing. And so there and on Stack Overflow. So this. Let's see, it says. Up, so CSS tricks article. Asks, I don't know, Stack Overflow question. Stack Overflow thread. And okay. Cool. So remove that. Close this. Ooh, maybe I should look at Scroll Spy. Because I do recall, yeah, customize whatever customized choices. I don't want to enable everything. Yeah, save preferences. It's a similar mechanism, Scroll Spy, the highlighting there. My dinosaur brain recalls similar functionality from my Scroll Spy days. Bootstrap. Yeah, but I have no clue how. What the best practice is for such functionality these days. Well, here we go. Pop dino. Lizard. Lizard brain recalls. Fair enough. So I can make this implement spy on content to highlight TOC entry. So I think that is clear enough. Yeah. I think I can throw this to Dijon. Let's see if I, yeah, I think Dijon is probably the best person to tackle this. Sure. Stop, spy, intersection, POC, highlighting, point. What is the 23rd? Oh snap! Oh, is that the 23rd? 2023 look? Yeah, I did shave all the mains off. So yeah, I'm trying to enjoy the calm, cooling, chilling breeze of the winter season. So I had to clear the face a little for that. Maybe it's a 2023 look. Lainey loves it. I kind of like the bearded look, but Mhm. All right. So while you're here, I'm also in the Google Meets, by the way. So if you hop in, you'll be on the stream. But while you're here, I'm stubbing some future stuff for you. I mean, like the previous stream, like Jesse was showing us some magic. So Idris is in the house, full house. The whole team is here, except for Stefano. Like Stefano is good. Thank you so much, Tijan. So Tijan says, obviously, um, not obviously, but Tijan says the look suits me. Um, yeah, so maybe I hold on to that. Lainey's gonna be happy to hear this. She's been convincing me to go for this look for a while now. All right, let's do some pushes. Connect to. I think it's connecting with lab, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Yeah, Tijan has a great taste. Maybe I don't know. If I mean, like if Lainey says it, then you must have great taste because Lainey knows what's good. Um, that's why she's a photographer. Visually, I trust her any time of the day. Cool. So what we have, this thing is sufficiently documented. We can drop this. I can also, you know what? Let me just add that to this section. Oh yeah, scrolls by days, but I have no clue. Um, Bootstrap, and also outlined in this article from 2016. Old shit. Link goes in there. Angelica. Bam, that's there. Now, here we go. That's that Bootstrap scroll. Scrolls by days. Bootstrap. There we go. Then we say boop. Doc at scroll spy links. Bam, push. So what was it? Let's see. Go to the staging.formation.tools. Cool. What are we looking at? Wrong place. Cool. So we're looking at implement spy. That's the link. I can paste the Tijan. Prepping new work. Tijan or these should be fun ones for you. Fun ones as in easy peasy. And there we go. Cool. Like, let me just reply and thread. Please check it out. And if it is clear enough for future tackling, otherwise I have to clarify the task. All right. Okay, so that is still stubbed. Maybe I probably did something wrong here. I probably should have. Doesn't all work magically, my friends. It doesn't all magically work. Well, probably I can move this to do. TOC SPY it to task. Push that, fine. We can handle that later. Then I have to build out the other thing. What was the next? Clarify non-building pane-oriented TOCs. Boop. Okay, so what we're doing here, I have to clarify this. Which is part of that task. Oh yeah, we're going for pane-oriented approach and usage. We're using click-through document. This gets a starting point for providing base with OSC color for sketches and overflow. Okay, this is not super readable, so I do this thing again. Okay, cool. This task is a starting point to providing a base container that can be used to facilitate composition. Facilitate a composition of arbitrary user-informed arrangements. Ugh, long text. Facilitate composition of arbitrary panes. The user will be able to inform which panes are based, which they step through document, step through or explore. Okay, cool. See, so sketches on the overflow. These have been roughly explained to Stefano and Tijan. Also to Jesse, Stefano, and Tijan. Meanwhile, in case you're looking for someone who can help clarify these points, we will, let me put other tools to clarify amounts for pain oriented workflow. I come close to what we are also thinking about, and then I just say here, we are not incorporating the TOC inside of the content container, or inside of the content container, and clarify this to be anti-pattern, and we should just opt for a single global TOC sidebar, which is always displaying the active position. The location is always highlighting the active entry in the pane currently in focus. In focus. Probably that is enough clarification. Jesse explained about pane scope TOC sidebars pattern. So we have to make sure that the developers working on this to energy on here. Also, this is a separate task, which is stuffed above. So I believe if I set a marker here and scroll SPY, implement SPY. So if I do that, then I go to this part again where I put the marker. Furthermore, the up task task tackle the implementation of sidebar highlighting frivolous How do you say monocle? Okay, Google. We are not incorporating fields inside or inside a container. Just to clarify, semantic. Oh, always highlighted. Always highlighting the active entry. Focus. Cool. Now I go back to that section here. So we wrote the to do. We assign it to Tijon. It should improve spatial awareness. Yeah. Okay. So I should link this up that, and I'm just going to say. I think it. I think I can say it's done. It or is it? I think there's actually I can put it. It's in work in progress. Um, so it's in the logbook. It's in work in progress. Up, sure. Update board with all points from Jesse. All interim points. Jesse. So there we go. And then I go to that one. Any texts coming in? Nothing. I do see. Oh, it's clear enough. Many documentations do this, so there must be standard way of doing. Perfect. Love it. This is clear enough. Thumbs up. So you can pick it up. Add it to your processing queue. Then other things to focus on are ready. Oh, spelled Q correctly. Wow. Or did I? I hope so. It's always one of these words that I basically stumble over. Bum, bum, bum. All right. So what we're doing. Perfect. Maybe I should just push all of this. Probably didn't. Solving that problem right now. Cool. I guess we're still moving the switcher to the pros component or to the content container. So that's still work in progress. Oh yeah, that's one thing I didn't document clearly enough. That's one part. The second part that we need is so I'm going to call that what's TOC anatomy of contents and is there no, that's not what I'm looking for. It's gonna be like showing me like table of contents of like of texts about anatomy, but I'm just looking at what is the name of the thing I'm looking for. Crap. Lines to indicate hierarchy and table of contents, right? So I say lines and just give me images. Let's see if we can find anything. Yeah, no, this is not it. What the fuck is the way? How the hell is this? What is this? How does here? Table of contents. Like, what are these lines? Edges. edges. Tree structure indicates tree structure. Yeah, this is exactly what I was thinking at some point. Like, there was this thing called Windows Registry. It used to be very tree structure, navigation based, and this complex tree structure that was rendered. Uh, I guess this kind of like makes sense. We can stub something like that. How about we say it's a stub? Sure. Um, tree structure margins. Um, it's not for Tjon only. I think Elisa can handle this easily, or you can handle it together. Excellent. We can put you both in it, right? My man. Let me get the link to the image in. Where is it? Mom. Where's it? I can just post the image. I'll do that. I'll do that. Name of in the TOC sidebar. We want some um, lines to relationship image. All right, so we really need to be able to like put images into this thing, but we're not there yet. So this is all text. But yeah, there we go. I can do text. Yeah, cool. I can do. Oh, tree. I can do that. Let me go to recreation tools thing. Maybe I shouldn't do it. I should do it on Intel. Is there an Intel in there? No. Is there an Intel eng? It look like, bam, here we go. Yeah, this indicated by lines in of the line configuration. It is other, especially in the case show for items that can be expanded or folded. It sometimes be tricky to assess all items. And what's an example of that? Close like all of the things I don't need. This is localhost. I may need it in a bit. I close that. I close this. I close that. I close everything to the right. Close tabs to the right. Clean things up. Fundamental cleanup, and then I do staging and that for me. Okay, so here we are, and then so this is readable-ish. It's readable-ish, but it is sometimes a little confusing because you now do see it's pretty present. Also, if I go all the way down, like now, you've lost track of how certain things relate to each other. The spacing is okay-ish, but it could be better. Fair enough. Mm. Oh yeah, this is the case. This is the case. Like if something is a member of, like if like a child with a lot of items follows immediately under a parent, it sometimes gets a little fuzzy. Like where's the parent? I need to be able to show the parent. And of course, the parent will have this if the children have children. By definition, the parent must have the chevron as well. Probably it sorts itself out. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I see what's going on. Mm, probably is solvable. Uh, if I open this up again, I close this. And it says this is the only thing with children. Only thing with children. Close that. That's fine. Open that. Ooh, that's a nicely deep one. Close this. That's fine. If I close this, actually, I do that. That. Hmm. The lines can help, but I don't think I need to put that line in there. Um, short stop. Free. Ask. Cool. And then I can grab that. It's just all of them are just UI points. So let me just get into the UI section. Automatically refresh. Here we go. In order to simplify the reading of here, we want to present use some margin cubes lines to indicate relationship, kind of like the left of the tree command. We want to provide line-like visual cues so it's easier to understand how items relate to each other. Cool. And then I posted as that is T-John, dope, party in face. And then we also do like another that one with image I can upload, which is this one zoomed. Um, wait, the rounded edges. Um, a POC out, proof of concept, then refine on it. Jesse mentioned that some radical designs are in the works, so we don't have to fixate on nailing design bits right now, as long as we base mechanics right APM, fine when the final designs start rolling in. Let's get the base mechanics right at the moment. We'll find one. Going in. There you go. So this one again. On please. Let's decide. And gosh, am I not sharing my screen right now? Oh goodness, I'm such an amateur. Such an amateur. Another stream completely ruined. Completely ruined. Um, that's why people were talking about the look. I wasn't even streaming my freaking screen. Darn it, missed opportunity. Ah, between different streams, I often have this moment where lost. At least that was inside of the Google Meet, but that's not useful to any of y'all because you were watching it on Twitch or somewhere else. All right, so I think with these tab posted, things to sort out. First things first, edit capability. There's an integrate, right? That component. Okay, so I have to write that one. Okay, source. Stuff perfect. Okay, so created. So this is something for me to like tackle right now. Integrate. The selector. User, I want to be able to switch first perspective. Candidates. Eventually examine and add source document. Yeah. Like integrate source perspective, it just means the ability to switch to source perspective. Yeah. Although I solved wrong. I'll probably put, yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Um, we need to go to the big side or the heavier side. This is the part we're going to work on now. Oh, okay, move this out of the way. Empty source. Photo one. Perfect. Boom. Had the right one right away. Okay, so what we're gonna do? Um, Zero. Photo. Before I start running on these tasks, I need to make sure that everything that has been delivered. First things first, so I can block the rest. All right, cool. All right, what are we looking at? Oldest first. Image issue in sidebar. I believe this is fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that comment unresolved. No, fair enough. All right, so what's the name of the branch? Fix image issue. No. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. I can't work with merge branches like these because like where it originates from somewhere really way back. So listen, days ago, what we did this image issue in the sidebar and the setup about model reflect name. What the hell happened there? Yeah, these are things that aren't merged into mainline yet. I can't do that now. All right, so branch local. Um, here, I can't tell. It's probably just a encoding thingy. All right. I'm merging here to minus icon. Imagine this doesn't break, so if I say pick, oh, oh, I don't. Yeah. I probably should look at it first though. And so, yeah, yeah. Mm, open localhost. Mm, about button. All right, so I'm going to have a look. Huh. Sure. Interesting. This doesn't show up. I don't understand. Okay. Okay, so the emoji thingy doesn't work, but that's a different setup about model. Hmm. Ah, that's an about model button. Where is it? Okay. So let's push the UI. All right, fair. That was 45 minutes ago. Don't fixate on the things that aren't important. Back to R. I merge that into it. Okay, cool. Now we're at the same point. Um, all branches. Now let's go back to source code reviews. Fix image issue in sidebar. That there's no response on this, so wait a minute. What was this icon? Why? What does that mean? All right, cool. This same problem had set up a button for about model. Fair enough. Some testing is broken, so I need to. Um, I guess I have to move it back to draft. I ask Lisa. Yeah, okay, let me ask. It's probably the best way to do it. To figure out the polish button branch. Are you still reply? Um, right, while I wait for the answer in there. And of course, I can basically run tests. Figure out whatever is broken in terms of snapshots. Mm-hmm. Why do I have multiple versions? That one. Okay, cool. Was there nothing that needed to be? It's probably doing some work. I'm going to do a little bathroom break. Grab another glass of water. Here we go. All green, perfect. So whatever failed, that is not snapshot related, and probably just part of the build. This. Sure that was already covered. Delta combine. Define but never used. Of course. Come on. What was it? Which file? I already closed about TSX. So about TSX. TypeScript mode. Script mode. Chevron up icon. What else do we have? All the icons that are here. X mark icon chevron used. Weird. Figure this out. Build. Or cool. Voids of large monitors, and if you're watching some YouTube, you can actually scroll in or zoom in so you can see things a little better. Boom, 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 boom. So let's see. What are we talking? What are we talking about? Well, we had some view activity on YouTube. Kind of cool. It's interesting. I wish I could actually put the link to you. Here we go. So that built. Something is off. If it builds here, it should build there. I already mentally switched over to something else. Here we go. Mentally switched over to set up a model button, and then I have to do the same. Okay, actually, I can basically. There's only one place where this exists. Now we can format fixed again. Cool. Is that fine? Continue formatting that fixed there, and then rebuild. Let's look at the diff. Yeah, whatever changes come in from Idrissa, I'll just cherry pick them on top of this thing, but let's see what's been said. Said on Slack, that's the latest that I did polish to. Thanks for this. We'll merge. So that in we this, and then look at the page real quick. I can pin this because I always want to fast track through to this one, probably move it all the way to the beginning. All right, so let's remember. I'll do some push-ups. It's not good to use the computer for so long. Just 25. Nah. All right. What do we have? If you're happy, 10-2. Unknown version. Okay, cool. So that shows. Okay. Confused about the. Let's see. Create about section. What do we have? Is there anything on about section that I recently mentioned? Let's come over there. What is this? Not it. There we go. Still capability, okay. Huh. I never raised the emoji point. I probably never emojis. Need to pick something up over there?
We're in to pack some eggs and some package in front of our door. And I just want to put them in the fridge.
All right, cool. All right, so.
I'm not really gonna go to Windsor today.
I can go.
Today?
I can go first. Go. Probably take a break soon. Or maybe the very latest in an hour, I'll have to leave.
Okay.
So I can't work. Um, been at it for good since 8ish. Mm-hmm. Is your package ready? Go. Okay. Um, learn about from me. Kind of remind me, and then here, for all these. Oh my. Uh, okay, cool. There's a lot of. Okay, so yeah, I mark this one as. Um, okay, cool. That works. Mark that is done. I come over. What's that? I have to. Oh, pull it out of the box. Okay. Hang on. I'll hold here. Over here. Okay. Okay. Careful. Careful. I think it's the clips in here, and if you can pull the clips and harm or damage the thing. Shall I just rip the box open because if these are stuck to the cardboard? Cardboard. Yeah, because this thing hooks into the cardboard. You've already heard that someone cash. I'll just rip it open. Is the knife over here? Mm, or scissors? Either of those will do. Probably have something over here. If I can even find anything on this desk. Boo. Right. Can you give me one of those like brain knives from the kitchen? Ah, awesome. Actually, the solution is right in front of us. Right. This should be a lot easier. Cool. Yeah. Hello. It's okay. What is this? Oh fuck. We broke the whole thing. Alright. Can we fix this? I think it's fine. There's enough others to hold it. Oh, okay, I think it's like this. Alright, we'll figure it out. But what is this? Ah, okay. Uh, Not broken, but I think we cut it to the acrylic someplace where it's the edge, so probably not critical. I think it's fine. And we only lost, what, one clip? What was it? It was at bottom. That's the one we lost. Funny, like I would have expected to be one in the middle, which had more friction. Yeah, you would think so. Where do you want to have this? I don't want anything anywhere yet. Ah, you're just experimenting. I'm just putting it in there so it's protected. Ah, good. But then you can just put it out to the line, don't you? Let me put the spring in DRB mode. Be right back. Let's put. I looked at November. Uh-huh. It was fucking amazing. Yeah, right. I figured you would like it. It's one of Patricia's specs. Holy shit. I want to go there so badly. It's one of Patricia's specs. What fixes? Patricia. Ah, nice. Yeah. That girl got taste. That girl got taste. All right. BRB. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, totally forgot about that. Um, I got one of those new keyboards from Bastard delivered right before the holidays kicked in. Totally forgot about that. And I also have this, oh geez, software-defined radio, Raspberry Pi based kit that I need to play around with. All these holiday presents. You know, like I got this like months before. Antennas. I'd probably be able to listen to police scanners with this. That's gonna be cool. Oh, this is something to dive into. There's too much fun stuff around to distract. The keyboard isn't around here. There's something for another day. Um, I was hoping to learn the new ortholinear keyboard before the year is over. Didn't quite get around to it. That's the stuff that happens once in a while. Okay, cool. We'll just stage that. Interim. Okay, cool. So redoing. We were at mainline. Modify. Let's move. What is this thing called? Shuffling off. Um, look at the. Oh, looks decent. Probably wanted to slide in, but this is something for another day. That's not it. Look at flipper mode. Did that. Okay, we close that. You go back there. Press that. How does it show up? Like that. That's fine. I believe this is fine. So that doesn't quite show up. That's okay. We click that link, it opens. Fair enough. Fine. Pragmatic for now. So I'm on text. Okay, someone is texting me. Where is that? Okay, that's WhatsApp. Mm-hmm. Oh, pop some mouse under the Christmas tree somewhere in a mall in Suriname or probably a church. Looking lovely as ever. Some good vibes for y'all, or for me. Y'all can't see this. Shall I provide a sneak peek of the folks? These are the folks. There you go, real quick, in and out. Cool. So this thing is fine, so we don't need to worry about snapshots needing to be updated. It probably tells me that there's something off with stuff, or quite frankly, that we're getting ready for merge. Back to that. So I can remove this brand. I'm going to work on that. I probably want to merge it first. Set a button for about model. Yep. And I can remove this branch. Maybe later. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. This was the oldest one. Or What was this? Successive. All right, that's a big one. That's a big one. Just double check that I have all of them. I would have guessed that. Okay, here we go. Okay, fine. Ah, teach best. Anything's done. You've been a merge hack, so we're just gonna merge this in. How we do this? Wasn't super old. Probably is the oldest of. Yeah, so I'm guessing this one is something older. Look at where it originates. Everything else that is on my list for merging right now is young enough. So let's just do oldest thing first. That's the rule. All right. Stuff multiplayer mode. Probably just gonna fast forward it. Yeah, I can basically replay that on top of that. Okay. Merging, no fast forward. Merge and edit. Things out without testing them, huh? There. Cool. Whoa. This is an interesting point now. I have to. Oh, here we go, buddy. So snapshots need to be updated. Probably with that, it's just something that's so old that works. Also, okay. Looking at right now is 169. Where should go? Now, can I do something here? There's something missing here. Okay, there's something missing here. I remember we spoke about migration to utils. I don't see anything. Ah, okay, so there is something did move to utils. Why am I not seeing it? There's only one commit. Abstract the component for rendering accessible. Ah, okay, fine. So this thing here. Oh, yeah. So the one that is prep. And okay. Hack. Add. I'll just delete it from my need that. 2 days ago on X, a brand. I deleted about it. Also just I don't touch one. And does all of that jazz and section. Very cool. Do we have use this on? Really? Nothing for that? Weird. So give me. Here we go. So that. There we go. That not necessary. Render comment help you feel. Ah, okay. That's the way we decided to do it. We know it works, but this, what are we doing here? We really want, basically want to rip it out. That's return. Yeah, I can do something with snapshots in here. The reason why it makes sense the way it's implemented is because either render an element or render a comment. You could have called it to function. Because then we decide how we render these things inside functions. We can always, it's nicely composable. Right now, it's just pretty tightly render comment helper. Document this. So let's have a look at how we did that inside. So what do? Um, here, here, uh, here. How does this work? Oop. Okay, cool. So it renders the contents of a section, and then successive blocks are rendered in a comment block. Fair enough. So I should just be able to provide title as a test doc stuff. Hmm, Maybe we do that, not a task. We're just gonna say like the hot take. Weekend comment for very hot of a take. Cool. And then right after, this is just going to be individual block. And let's keep it clean. And we're not trying to see if, and we're also not going to see works. You don't have to have a section where if you intersperse content. This. All right, so this is the hot take, followed by ramblings, all authored while live streaming. We really be this. These tests to their own file. It's supposed to be a block. On for live streaming. Previous up as a comment block. Now, what I can do is go to and then also move here. What I'm trying to do here. Snap comment. Put comments, remove it all. Like, what network are we on? Okay, give me a second. Comment lines. This one open there. This one open here. Begin comment, end comment. We have that there. Okay, so that works. We did this. So, where is this comments? Oh, here we go. So two comment blocks not really separated. Okay, so maybe then okay. This works. This looks fine. This might show up as a comment block. Cool. So what we're going to do right after, we're just going to add some line break. Yes, we're just a comment over multiplying. Interesting. Planning. A comment length over the hash character in your whitespace character immediately end of the line. This is a one-on-one consecutive comment lines. Fixed width area. Okay, fair enough. So this is wrong. Some triggers coming in. What's happening? Is there something I need to be aware of? Okay, that's the latest on the about section. Oh, snap. Okay, what's the latest on the about section? Okay, well, this is confusing when the messages come in on different channels. What's this message sent? Okay. Remove unused icon incorrect. Was I working on 72? Okay, I'm already merging it in. I already fixed that. Cool. About section. So this. Mm-hmm. And it's throwing it on the extra count first. One line. Let's do it the clean way, right? So here I'm going to do the same with the in and um, and also for this heading for items. Comment block of like short form comments contains two. Okay, so this is then what gets interesting. this here block of a single, a block of a single figure. I could actually information, but I guess we'll catch if it changes. We're probably also going to update the storybook to contain something like this. Bugs. I know we're making use of online. Drop that. Oh, and maybe add a third one to the mix. Goes over here. Maybe at the end. And there we go. All right, so I have that block of single line comments, and then we start by saying, okay, this block. This one a single line. And then we probably do a block after. It's up, phrase. That word. Pretty easy things. So all we can have. That. Here we go. And double quote, out. This is a big block comments has the same problem. Everything else, previous line shows over the comment block, previous line shows here. Fine. Ooh. I need to actually inline snapshot. You know, we're going to put it X. And that's interesting because it's not the renderer who does this. It's the render comment helper. So I just feed the doc into, okay, so parse this block. I want to do test x, this x. Recent post. React testing library. Can we? This is not what I want. This is where the whole problem with you have to do like inline. Hmm. How can we render? Expect data to match inline. Well, that's easy. How do we test with it? Okay, this is not how. Just looking at data. We're not add snapshots or components. Not. Well, we do some. We do. Oh, like F. What is return? Boom. It's probably not so simple. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. Also, okay, so let's try this. Here, come talk. Don't do super much with it. Oh, right, cool. Up, render, first. Equal to doc. Okay, so that's both. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. So we implemented. So we parse doc, right? And we say like, we wrap that up. So let's and then we say const. If that actually works. So if string exit is valid. Hungry. Need to figure out lunch. Okay. Organize. text. We probably periods are when now this whole block here goal probably should have been a single test or multiple tests actually. Then for some reason I also don't import meta v test because six files. I'm confused. Let's grab it expect. Why is it not run components? Maybe I should do it that way. Maybe I should do it that way, where it's just going to be a function that can take stock. Then we use you could always return that. It can be just a basic function that takes content in doc. You don't need to wrap this inside of that. Probably is easier. Maybe the main reason why it doesn't run though. Yeah, why is it not running? Test components. Okay, quit. All right, so let's see if we can. Here we go, include source, components, JS, JSX, TS. Oh, obviously the test folder. Valid. I wonder if this thing is actually. Oh, that didn't work. Come on, help. There we go. Here we go. Parse is done. Perfect. A little bit of progress. We imported parse from core parser, so we release it. And then I import parse. Go, and then here we have weird. Parse is not a function. Second here. Parse. We go. Now we get this thing that looks like that. Now, granted, I will not be able to really appreciate what's in there. Deep. pretty. But what we can do here, we can do this. Actually, there's a little hack here. Um, come on, this is not convenient. I have effectively rendered the entire structure here. It's not helpful. Let me undo this. Way for me to figure out what it renders. I just don't know how to get there. Maybe I should look at the renderer tests. So here, what do we do here? Okay. Under document fragment. Which means we have to evaluate a function. I think that we basically back to the drawing board and we say expect the way I have to do it. Function call of and doc. It looks one workaround. Yeah. There we go. Perfect. More readable. This is a hack. Paragraph is okay. Here, buffer, and bam, bam, bam. Actually, I'm just going to put it up top. There. So, more extreme. So, okay, cool. What do we have here? Let's just fortunate white space. Browser will ignore it. Comments block with a single comment here. And in that comments block, should be doing this. Perhaps you should move these. This happens if they're not on separate lines, they become a single comment. And oh, section. Fair enough. Okay, so test. Interesting. Oh, you know what? We split this up. Okay, you can comment blah, blah, blah. All right. So how we say extract block. Extract symbol block. To readable up this into another tape. Well, block comments. Yeah, as we go back here and we remove this X bundle of single line way they formulate. Comment line starts with a hash character and enter a space character, and like comments consist of one or more consecutive. Okay, so block comments of here of comment. Um, we'll figure that out later. What has to be in there. I'm probably also gonna do here this man oof, and we do the same. Versus what we have here now is that look, my comment, right, and then we have one more case of uh, those extracts periods. You don't need it there. This is just a bundle of single line comments. I think from now. Okay. I don't think it's gonna be big. I think it's fine. See. I think it is. Go with 7. Look for that. Part is okay. That part is okay. Here we have like what a comments block. Ooh shit, it didn't work. The comments block. I understand why it happens. I think this is the part thing that was based on just a couple of comment like marker markers. Can we update? Yeah, so probably this is a function that has to be relegated into like a util that works on the file on the intermediate representation. Yeah, maybe that's what we do. We populate a comments potential comments block that can contain one or more comments. If there's a single, then it's just a single entry. If there are more, then we extend this as such. But okay. This one works. If we formulate it as a comment block, it works. It as like these hash character comments, right? Extracts a bundle of, and then here we just have this monstrosity. Oh, fair enough. We remove this big block. Oh, it's now down to what? Oh, no, no, no. Clean. A lot cleaner. Okay. Like this. I like this. I can work with this. Cool. So, I'll look at this. Like, nonsense. Okay. And now we really have to think about where this function belongs, right? Section of the no, like these both are okay like that. Okay, so interesting. I wonder how we render this thing. I'm waiting to find out. Oh, this is not the problem. Unblock. Ah, there we go. There we go. Something here gives it away. What? Oh, there's a line break there. There's it broke. That's probably going to break. Good. I'm expecting it to break. The paragraph block should go. One. Sure. Here. You can't do a block multiple lines if they're unified. If it's just yeah, okay, fair. That works. Cool. Multiple as a bundle. Paragraph with some text and that. This is just the parser, how the parser deals with it. Maybe I should look at that. Let me look. Give it a whirl. So we're looking at paragraph followed by some comment, followed by comment, an empty paragraph, some fix me. Okay. If lines which moves did I go to? Like, here we're doing. What is this? Ah. Okay. I that stops the 6 foot. I compared it. Mhm. We could probably do that. Kill print to string. Uh, consecutive and comments. Let's see list. Pretty. We have to evaluate the. I can. Oh, on words. Arguments for begin, end accumulator. Nah, that doesn't work. Parts on. Sort of synonymous to. restriction. Fuck, this is just too much. Also, parsing of comment. Parsing, okay. It's simply complicated. Work element parts. So how about work elements? Quickly part the buffer and return instruction. Easy enough. Everything optional. Work element part. So I believe I can go back to this. Buffer. There we go. That worked. I don't. Oh, what did you get? Value comment one. Okay, didn't work. That doesn't work. Single line breaks are not enough. Right. All right, here we go. So, shit. Why is that set? This out of the section. Bullet and the details. That now I can look at. Oh, top. So I do parse them as three different comments. Okay, fine. Good to know. And I missed something. What did I miss? No, I didn't. What? Oh, first comment. Free roar. Saying parent being the section, I believe. I don't know what post affiliated means. Now, what we can do to debug this to test it. But there is probably an easier way. There's probably a way. Like this, just calling. Okay, cool. All right, so what I can do here is basically park this for later. Just saying like, here, here's, okay, cool. This thing is fine. I need to know how this thing comes out of UniWorks, so I'm going to oh, work. Now this should work. Okay. This runs. All right. What we can do, which um, really edit the buffer. No, I don't edit. Work parser. Um, now let's just do this. Buffer. Add one, two, three. Replicate the other. Cool. All right. So what's the output here? Over. Oops. What the, okay, so this is what looks like comment one, comment two, comment three. Hard. What does it say? It's okay. Well, it actually parses the paragraphs. A bug, probably. So I'll make a note of this. And let's see. Of this common word. Um, yeah, yeah. We have basically the same text, starts with a hash, and then we parse the damn thing. Here we start with org data in N37. Our document here begins with 1, ends with 39. There's a 0 index on this end, 1 index on that end, so this one should end with one bigger. I don't understand. Well, fair enough. We have the last the same two drops. Back to the offset problem here. 1 and the 38. Here we started below. We started 0 and the 37. Exact same amount of characters coming in both cases. It looks like Uniboard is not parity with the authoritative parser. Okay, cool. So this means that we go back to our code, we rip out this part don't need right now. Um, parts block will keep in there. Here we have broken. So what I want here, I want a comments block. One. This piece to this. So map this into paragraph to be what I want is. So this was an error. Yeah, cool. So what I'm going to do here, I'm not going to skip. Oh, need to fix. All right. Debug. Rework. FPGA is resolved. So this fix me. Resolve in later. Figure this out. So we have a bunch of, so here we have the same extracts a single paragraph, the paragraph. I probably have to investigate. So this hierarchy is probably wrong. I doubt that the comments live on the same level as the paragraphs. That's one case. Same. Let's see how that works. So JavaScript, of course, this stub here. Move the comments at the end. All single quotes to double quotes. Then I, for the double quote at the end, I prefix it with a line break. Does it make sense? Because I do need the line breaks. Yeah, it does make sense. Okay, and then I basically say that. And in the beginning, I do the following. Insert. Drop it in here. And if that enough. Borrowed. Line. Maybe I should write an actual document for later. Yeah, this is for link. Okay, let's go. This. Up again. Oh, block. Cool. What do we have? We have that already. Block. Yeah. We have another lines. A little easier to read. Okay, so every comment I came up with a really cool name because we called it what? The same concept exists here. Oh, it's hierarchically structured. For siblings. Oh my. Paragraph, a common block of paragraph inside a section inside of origin data. Block is different from comment. There's a distinction that this part. Other comment is just this. All right, fair enough. So we have two comments between paragraphs. Okay, fair enough. Makes sense. Paragraph. Right, so that's one thing we sorted. I need to figure out if reservation details for tonight are still on track. Give me a second there. Email. No active. Okay, placement. Okay, cool. Cool. Let me. All right, it's getting dark. I need additional light. Which one am I going to rely on? Do I have another lamp? That's better. Cool. That way. Okay. All right, so we figured this out. So, for a while ago. Right, so that one we want to use for now. Where we can up here. Parse. Next. Let's see. While destruction, we can give the parent thing a name. Like this is one thing we do, but we may want if you yeah okay. I don't understand if this is rest. That's not what I need. That's not what I need. Destructuring while destructuring. Let's see. I think it's something at or I swear I've seen it before. I just don't know if it was in this language or something else. It's a type. Yeah, that's not it. Destructuring assignment. Let's see. Yeah, this is the wrong kind of destructuring. Oh, but here's something. Here's something. Are these all the possible ways to do this? I mean, we're doing renaming here, but we're doing it inside of the object, not outside of it. This is a function call, so it doesn't have a name. I want to give it a name while I'm destructuring it. I'm binding an assignment. Come on, come on. Default values, rest properties, not what we're looking for. Syntax is already destruction, swapping variables. Passing or parsing range from a function. We can't give the whole. As a rest property. Not quite. Unpacking values from a regular expression match. Not it. Assign to new variable names. Boom. Okay, so here we do it on members. We don't do it on the full data structure. Also, computers starting to get tired, I'm sure. Let's see what's going on. Sorry, we should be fine. Just give me my mouse. Why is this not working? So weird. So weird. Also, distraction. I don't want to bother with this. I just want this thing to work. Okay, cool. There we go. Mouse is back. In fact, property from auto as a function parameter. So it's not it. I think I'm already like out of time. Out of time. Oh. Prototype image looked up. Okay, whatever. We're not bad. Okay. Oh, trying to get dark in here. The eyes. There we go. Switch it to another monitor. Better. Okay, cool. What are we doing? Yeah, we were parsing onto the text. That's not what I wanted to do. I want to call one of these parts the one from so oh, yeah. Just quite curious to see what this looks like. All right, even. Yeah, made a mistake. This thing here. Update. What are we looking at? Right, so from the map we have above, this is the corresponding. This Add here really. Let's do myself one more favor. Add, add, add. There, value. There. Refund. Pretty fucking confusing. Yeah, okay, so whatever. All right, so I have a paragraph. Weirdly enough, fucked up document with off the indentation is yeah, so I this to the TXT block. Right code block the source file. Control T. Echo. Valid numeric literal at line 2, column 0. There's something off. Ah, okay. No shit, this thing is added finally. Something is off. Ah. Our line breaks into text. So we had at this level, then we have a paragraph, then we have a blog, we have another paragraph, other our level, um, X, X. To sleuth and figure out what's going on there. Saying of me. But the thing you need to understand then is this converts to paragraph, comment block, paragraph, Uh, Comment block. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, okay. So this is structure wise. Let's see, do we have another? And we have one. Okay. There's something there to fix, but everything else is more or less in line. So I quit format thing. Okay, cool. Cool. Um, not pretty. Maybe we need to move it out. Also, this probably doesn't belong there. Sorry. We don't call it anywhere. Sam again. Figure out the messages I received. Um, well, that's good. I quit. I don't even know if the test case ran. Fine. Oh, okay. Well, it's running. Okay, all green. Let's see. So here we go. We import parts. Let's just make sure we isolate this as 24. Enough documentation. We can tell here that sometimes writing tests takes for test to testing scope here. Snapshot. Oh, right. Where are we? This is the freaking place. I probably should. Add helper function for excessive comments. Yeah, probably should check out. I don't know. Can I merge that point? I probably can. I probably go. That, fuck. fucking out, fucking out. Sometimes you do some dumb shit, man. Okay. It's are not in a branch. Okay. I need to go TODO 1. Which was in here. Blup, 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 blup. Okay, cool. What do we have? These escape 5 from no branching. Okay, fine. What's that? Whatever since it was against the next check master, so I just checked out ahead, place all the file in there. So it's on a rough like match, cherry pick, shove, missing commit. Get ref log. Okay. There we go. Head 2. So I cherry picked 3 6. How do I do that? Merge FF 84 611. Get merge fast forward 84 611. Do we have that? Okay, here we have it. So here we also have a string comment. Okay, so hit red block. I missed something. Snapshot is a merge. Fast forward 36. Which one is it? B. So I'm just doing this directly on that branch. Process commands. Okay, cool. Cool. Thank you, reflog. Here we are. Let's fetch. Let's see if anything changed meanwhile. Nothing. All right, so we have nothing new, which means I can push this. That one here. Here we go. Cover. So no additional effort. So additional work. Whatever I added was. You may have to rename things. So the comment block that's confusing. I don't know what we would name it. Yeah, okay, fair enough. Let's not overdo this. Cool. I want to close this one. So as long as this thing builds, which I think it is, go back to merge hack here. Right, so that was 69, that's okay. What else we have? So 69 and 68 are good to go. Fold all completed headings. No idea what this is. Mm-hmm.
Don't go anymore. I'll take you to let me know because I have to send.
The packages. Fair enough. Let me do a walk. It's been 3 hours. Two folks in the stream.
Like, I don't want to stress you, but I need to know.
No, I have to do a walk. Like I've been at it. Maybe my brain can actually use some decompression. Yeah. Right. This is a good moment to call it a day. You can tell we're kind of like well on the way to try to polish up a couple of things there in the UI. Jesse is a big part of that, obviously, with some of the designs trickling in. I have to run some errands, so I'm going to call it for today. Errands. 7 hours. It's a good day. Y'all take care. And I'll see y'all around in the next stream. If you're not subscribed to the stream on YouTube or Twitch, please do so. I can really use the like, subscribes, and it helps the algorithms. It helps with the reach. More folks will notice that stuff is going on this channel if more folks are subscribing and engaging. So I would really appreciate it. Pretty please. Same for Twitter. If you can follow, like whatever tweets are out there, and reshare them with your friends that are equally geeky or just geek curious. That'd be dope. I would really appreciate it. And who knows? Maybe I stumble into other folks to work with, or collaborate, or to nerd out over any random topic. I'd be down for that. You know that. All right, folks, I'm out. If I don't see you before the year turns, Happy New Year. And otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. But I doubt it. Tomorrow's a weekend day. I probably should take the weekend day. Y'all take good care of yourselves. If you play with firework, be careful. If you don't play with firework, good on you. And just enjoy the transition into the new year. And we'll see each other next year with some cool hacks and more features on formation tools, and who knows what else we'll be building next year. I'm there for it. Ciao. And then the button to end the broadcast.